This color looks really good. यो रङ साँच्चै राम्रो देखिन्छ. Of course, it's you. पक्कै पनि तिमी नै हौ. What are you doing? तिमी के गर्दैछौ? I was getting ready. म तयार हुँदैछु. I have plans this weekend. यस सप्ताहमा मेरो योजना छ. That sounds like you. त्यो त तिमी जस्तै सुनिन्छ. I wanted to ask you something. म तिमीलाई केही सोध्न चाहन्थे. I feel empty to me. मलाई खाली खाली जस्तो लाग्छ. I don't want to wake up early. म बिहान चाँडै उठ्न चाहन्न. Just come with me. बस मसँग आऊ. It's only 2 days. यो त 2 दिन मात्र हो. I will go with you tomorrow morning. म भोलि बिहानै तिमीसँग जान्छु. It's been so long. धेरै समय भयो. You are finally here. अन्ततः तिमी यहाँ आइपुग्यौ. You did a great job. तिमीले राम्रो काम गर्यौ. Can I ask something? के म केही सोध्न सक्छु? That sounds very boring. त्यो धेरै बोरिङ जस्तो सुनिन्छ. I don't see many people. मैले धेरै मान्छे देखिन. People are working. मानिसहरू काम गरिरहेका छन्.